Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a smaller table in your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to make a small table in Microsoft Office Word where we just go to insert option here, then click on the table that you want to insert the table. Now you just need to adjust the table size by this option. Just move the table like this, like come closer. So you just adjust the table like this, then expand the table size like this, how far that height you want. After that, just click here, then go to the table layout here, just distribute the column and rows. Now the table size has been fixed. If you want a table height like this, you just expand it and just click the distribute row. Automatically the rows will be distributed and the height will be managed. So by this option you can easily use this option and make a smaller table or smaller table that you want, in which height or in height wise or in width wise. You can easily distribute the rows and columns and make your small table in your Microsoft Office Word web. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word web, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing up from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.